Wow, it's 10 days till Christmas. December 10th, 15th, and December 15th, and I had a dentist appointment today, so I took the day off from work, and we're gonna let the whole pack out today. This is the first time they've been together since probably Annie's heat, and they haven't run for, oh gosh, they haven't run together for over a month. And the last time they ran, Boogie and Annie was in a field trial Thanksgiving weekend, so we'll get them out here, see if we can come up with a rabbit here in just a minute. Oh, there's Miss Annie. Well, this looks promising here. That may be our first rabbit. Well, let's hear Charlie and Annie kick in here. Both their noses, the girls' noses are a little hotter. Yeah, good deal. We got something now, looks like. There's a lot of honeysuckle tangled in here, so I always like running these little areas here with honeysuckle. Seems like we can always get a rabbit out of it somewhere. I just love the echoing. There goes the rabbit. He just went through there. I missed him. Here they come. He just went through there. Here he comes. There he goes. Right there. Through there. There's the dogs. Good job, guys. That's what I like to see. If I was here with a partner and we had guns, we could have knocked that one. Put that one in the frying pan. There was enough of a shooting lane here, and we could hear him running. We could have had a good shot right there in that little opening. They'll bring him back. This is why I love doing this. Listen to that excitement. I'm out here by myself here in this area, James Reed. About 1 o'clock, 1:30 right now. Had a dentist appointment today, so I took the day off work, and here I am. That was my priority today. Come on, guys. That rabbit came back here a bit. It's just so thick in there. I found a good spot here in the trees. There's some laid down grass. Little spot here. I bet that rabbit will come right through here somewhere. Somewhere in here. It's come through here twice already. Right there's my rabbit. Right there. There he goes. There he goes. He's jumping right through there. This will be good. Should come right through on the right side of that tree. Come up here. Right there. Billy got it. And they'll hop through here. There goes that rabbit. Big rabbit. He's going on that way. He just keeps traveling. Dogs are in a good check over here. Get it. Put it in those dry leaves. You don't leave a lot of scent, I wouldn't imagine. They'll pick it up. He just frost right here. Nice big rabbit. Who's going to get it? That's Boogie. Them dry leaves. I got it. Bringing it this way. Boogie's leading this pack, I'm telling you. He's going to be my pack's version of Bob Melcher's Missouri Gunsmoke Little Rocky. He just seems to be pretty good at picking up the line. I'm surprised I didn't get to see that rabbit, but he knows. I think he knows where I'm at. This is a good rabbit. He's been running a long time out here. Big circles. No, I guess we've been doing this for about an hour and a half, maybe. Not quite an hour and a half, maybe. At least an hour. This is another circle. This rabbit's right in here somewhere. He came out and ran right down this deer trail right towards me. They'll come out into the honeysuckle trail right there and come right down towards me. Make a right this way. Yep, that was it. They're getting close to this rabbit. This will be almost 2 hours for running. He did something. He might be right in here squatted next to me.